His name Sangam, age is 28 years and complain of high pitched voice, and today date is 5th November 2024. Sangam, मुझे treatment से पहले का sample चाहिए. Why you came here?
So sir, basically I have been suffering for high pitch voice since my puberty years, and sometimes I also stammer. So I mean, this is for this treatment I have come here.
Post therapy video of Sangam, and today date is 12th of November 2024. Sangam, why you came? After this 8 days of therapy, how do you feel?
So sir, I came because I had a high pitch voice. So after this 8 days of treatment, 1 or 2 people have told me that there is an improvement in my voice, and I am also feeling from inside that there is an improvement.
Have you compared your voice sample first day and today's sample?
Yeah, I did compare.
And what was the difference?
I had a little bit heavier voice, and so yeah, this is the change I have seen, and much more stable voice.
Okay. And tell about your education, from primary education to higher education. Means something I want to talk continuously.
Okay. So yeah, I was born and raised in Jharkhand, so I completed my primary education there. Then I went to Pune for my higher education. I completed my engineering and MBA there, and then I'm in Bangalore working here as a working professional. So
okay, thank you. So can we use a video for awareness purpose in our social media pages?
Please do.
So those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please write in the comment box and share this video, like this video, so that people having similar problem can get motivation and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.